We are gonna make our cucumber mint cooler juice today. Is that how I need to start? So we're gonna have cucumber, apple, lemon, and fresh mint. This is a really simple but very refreshing juice. So let's get chopping.
What's your favorite part of this kind of juice, Lars? The refreshing crispness of it?
Yes, always the lemon. Lemon is...
You cannot get enough lemon. Anything that has lemon, just double it. Technically, you're supposed to have juice fresh. Is this right? Like straight off the juicer?
I think maybe some of the nutrients get lost like day. So I just try to make enough juice for like 1 to 2 days. And maybe while I'm juicing, do it every other day. It's a little bit of a pain, but it's so much better fresh.
And I personally love it just like a day or two old because yeah, because it's so much better cold. And as much as you refrigerate the vegetable, it just doesn't do it justice. So now we got the, okay, you got the apples done here.
Apples done, cucumber. Just gonna chop these in half.
Where'd you get this? Is this just store-bought mint or is this from Grandpa's greenhouse?
Grandpa's greenhouse mint is a little toasty right now.
It's just crisped up. It's too hot.
So went and got the old
grocery store
mint. I'm just gonna chop all this off and use that whole thing.
I'm looking forward to this. I mean, it's been we've been traveling and eating out a lot. We don't eat out a lot, so it's like kind of,
so
it's getting to us.
I'm really excited to just like get all this good stuff, get back on track. So because I like to just juice like every couple days, I do it all at once. So I've already made a juice this morning. Now I'm moving on to this cucumber mint cooler. Oh, that smells so good.
I wish y'all could smell that mint right now. Smell the aroma that kicks off.
It looks like a watermelon kind of concept, doesn't it?
Taste rum?
Taste rum, huh? Money?
That is good, yes. Right? One.
It does need to be in the fridge though, but still, money.